Hello guys, how are you? Okay, our next challenge is the throwing challenge. First, set any target in front of you. Like I am set my target one bottle. You can put one bottle or two bottle or three bottle, and a one area for throwing. Like this is my area. This white carpet is my area. I'm not allowed to cross this area. I just throw the ball to the bottle like this. Oh wow, good try. Okay, throwing to the ball to the bottle 10 times and count your successful throws. Okay, like I'm throwing my first try, I will throw one. One successful again, but don't cross your area. You are supposed to stand that area and you are not allowed to cross that area and throw it. Oh, miss. I missed. Third one. Oh wow. Third. Fourth one, good. Fifth, good job. Sixth one, throw. Yes. Seventh, eight. Oops. Again on the same place and throw. Nine. Last one on the same place. 10. Okay. I throw 10 times, but my successful throws are 7. I missed 3 times. Let's see how many successful throws do you have in your PE lesson. Get ready for your PE lesson. See you in the class. Take care. Bye bye. Hello everyone. How are you? It's me, Mariam Bhatt, your sports teacher from TNS THA. Okay, I want to share my excitement that we are celebrating Virtual Sports Week which start from 6th of July to 10th of July. And you will be happy to know that you are the part of this sports week. We will do different activities in our sports lesson. Guys, get ready. Get ready for the challenges. Okay, see you in the class. Take care. Bye bye. Hello. Okay, next activity with the balloon. Let's play with the balloon, but this time we will play with the conditions. We have only 30 seconds and just count your touches to the balloon in 30 seconds, and who has the maximum balloon will be the winner. Okay, we will do this same in the class, but practice first. Okay, time starts now. Like this: one touch, two touch, three touch, four touch, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Time's up. Okay, I have 19 touches. Let's see how many you have in your class. Okay, see you in the class. All of you ready for the challenge? Yes. Take care. Bye bye. Hello guys, our new activity is the flip bottle activity. I know many of you can do this very easily, but I can't do this. I just try. You have only 10 tries to do this activity, and how many successful tries do you have? Who has the maximum will be the winner. Okay, let's start. Ready? Oops, one try miss. Okay.
Miss Mariam, for in 30 seconds, start.
No, but we only have 10 tries.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. I can't do this, but you can. 4, 5, 6, 7.
Actually, the floor is not balanced, that's why
I think so.
it's going to down.
9, 10. Okay, I only 2 successful tries. Count your successful tries. See you in the class. Take care. Bye bye.
Hello.
How are you?
Hello.
Okay, our next activity is the target activities. If you have the scarf, if you have any clothes, if you have towel, adjust that. You need 3. I have 3 scarves. I adjust them like this. First, the the bigger one on the floor like this. Second, the smaller than first, adjust this, and third one is small like this. Put in first target, second target, third target. You have only 3 tries, you have only 3 balls. If your ball touches to this target, you got 5 points. If second target, you got 7 points. And if the smaller one target, you get 10 points. Let's see how many points do you have in 3 tries. Miss Nazia will do first, then I will do. Okay, with the 3 steps only. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Miss Nazia, start. You have only 3 chances. Wow, 7-1.
Yay!
Yes.
Oh,
Just second base.
Oh,
Okay. Miss Nazia got only 7 points. Now it's my turn with the 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Okay, first one. Oh, I have 5. Second. Oh, 7.
7.
Yes, 7.
Yay.
Okay, last one. Oh,
Oh.
7-1 again. 7, 7 and 5. 19. I got 19 points. I'm the winner. Okay, we will do this in our PE lesson. Let's see who will be the winner. See you in the class. Take care. Bye bye.
Hello class, good morning. I hope everyone is okay. Now we will play today the shuttle run. Okay, just I want to see in the class next time, but first I will tell you what is the rules or regulation of the shuttle run. I have you can use the ball, you can use the cushion, you can use the cones, everything you can use for your point. But I have one is my shirt and one is my scarf. Now I'm going to do with the shuttle run. I'm putting the first my part is here. This is my part is here, and now I'm going to the 5 steps for the other points. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm putting the scarf over here. First, I want to tell you, I will do the shuttle run. I will do the shuttle run, or I will check how many do the activity in this shuttle run. Okay, or do it in 30 seconds. Like one going to start.
Okay, ready? Your time starts now.
Okay.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
time's up. Time's up.
Okay, time's up. Bete. I did in 30 seconds. I think 10. Now I will see you. I will see you in the class. How many you can do it? Okay. Bye. Take care. Love you. Bye.
Hello guys, how are you? Our next challenge is the fry pan challenge. Do you have the fry pan at your home? Yes, you have. Okay, take a fry pan and you can use any ball. You can use a pair of socks. You can use matchbox. You can use any toy and throw this up and catch with the pan. Throw this up and catch with the pan. Okay, you have only 30 seconds to do this activity. Okay.
Okay.
Your,
I'm going to start,
Yeah.
Miss Mariam. 30. Start.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51.
Up. Time up.
Okay, my time's up. Okay, I am on 53. Okay, let's see how many catches with the pan you have in your PE lesson. Like this. Okay, let's see who is doing best in the class. Take care, everyone. See you in the class. Bye bye.
hello everyone.
Hello, good
I
morning,
hope
everyone.
you are good. Today we have one activity for you, clap and catch. We will do the clap and catch which Nazia will do with us, and then I will check you in the class when we will have a lesson in online session. I will check how many times you will do clap and catch in 30 seconds. Okay.
Okay, your
Miss
time
Maria will start
starts now.
the one,
Two,
two,
three,
3,
four,
4,
five,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
yeah,
12,
12,
13,
14,
14, 15, 16,
17,
17.
Time's up, time's up, time's up.
Hey, 18.
Yes,
And you?
I did 18 also, but
No,
I
no.
hope you will do more than us, bete. I know you are the active class, you are the brave class, and we are love you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Love you.
Hello everyone, how are you? Okay, today we will play with football and with colors. Like I have 6 colors: red, yellow, green, purple, white, and different instructions on different colors. Like if my teacher instructs me on red, I will stop. Like on red, I will stop the ball with my foot like this. If she called green, I will walk slowly with the ball, and if she called
Yellow.
if she called yellow, fast with the ball. Okay, and 3 more colors. Can you repeat this?
Okay, now you will play. The color is blue.
Blue means jump over the ball like this. If I call blue, jump over the ball like this.
Then black.
If I call black, then you have to sit on the ball like this. You have to sit on the ball, but quick action. And if I call, or your teacher called purple, you need to kick the ball, kick high.
Yes.
Okay, now let's play. My teacher instruct me. Teacher, can you please instruct me?
Yeah. Now we are going to start the game.
Yes.
Okay, red,
Red. Yes.
green,
Green. Walk slowly. Slowly.
yellow,
Fast. Okay.
blue,
Blue. I forget. Blue, jump on the ball. Jump.
black.
Black. I know. I have to sit on the ball.
The last one, the purple. High kick. Yes.
Okay, bye-bye. Hello guys, how are you? Today we will learn how to bat, but we will focus 4 main points. First, how to hold the bat. Second one, batting stance. Third, strokes, how many strokes. And fourth one, the hand-eye coordination test. First, you need to put your bat down. If you are the right-handed, hold your bat with the left hand like this. With the left hand in the middle of the bat, like this. And right arm is the sporting arm. You need to hold your right arm, and 2 finger distance between right arm and left arm. How to hold the ball once again? With the left hand like this, in the middle of the bat, like this, and right hand is the sporting hand. Hold your ball tightly with the left hand, and right one is sporting hand if you are the right hand batsman. Second one is stance. In stance, your shoulder should be down like this, and head toward the bowler, and eyes on the ball. And your feet should be balanced. Weight equally distribute to both legs, and stand like this. Okay. Done. Done. We will learn about how to hold the ball and how to stand in batting stance. Okay, next one, shots. How many shots? We just learn about 4 to 5 shots. First, straight drive, your leg, front leg, little bit high and balanced and drive. It's called front drive. Okay, cover drive, this side, left and drive. Okay, now we will learn about on shots and off shots. This is my on area and this is my off area. If I drive to this side, this is on drive, and if I drive to this side, this is off drive. This is my on shots and this is off shots. And one more, I want to add one more shot. It's called sweep. Down like this and shot. Once again, down like this and short. It's called sweep. If I want to hit this side, it's called cover. Leg little bit out and short. It's called cut shot. Cut shot. Okay. If I shot like this, it's called pull. Shot like this, it's called pull. Okay, that's it. Now, for hand-eye coordination, just hold your ball in the right hand and tip 100 times. Count your 100 tips without stopping. Count. If you can do this, count 100 tips. I think you can do this, but if you can't, just try it. Count your 100 tips down to the ball and try to drive, straight drive like this. Your leg toward the ball and drive. Okay? Okay, if you have the ball in front of you, play with the ball, throw it the ball to the wall and drive again. Again, if you have the ball in front of you, if you have any partner, just instruct your partner, underarm throw and try to feed your ball. So your partner will throw underarm and try to feed your ball. Okay, that's it. Now we will practice this in our PE lesson online. Be online with bat or ball. If you don't have bat, it's okay. Just take a stick or ball. Okay, see you in the class. Bye bye. Take care. Hello kids, how are you? Good morning. Today we will do some exercises with chairs, with pillows, with bag, with cushions, with table. Anything you have at your home, you can do the exercises with that thing. Like I'm doing some exercises with my things. Like I'm set my bag. I will jump over these things. Like I will jump. I will show you. You can use pillow. You can use cushions. You can use anything that you want. And jump like this. Jump, jump, and jump. And back again. Jump, jump, jump. First one 5 times. These jumps. Then cross jumps like jump in, jump out. Jump in. Jump out, jump in, very good, good, jump out, jump in, jump out, jump in, jump out. Gradually increase your speed. Once again, out, in, out, in. Well done, good. Okay, and last one, you can try, you can do this, but if you don't, it's okay. Just try with one leg, one leg, one leg, one leg. And switch your leg. Leg, leg, leg. Done? Okay. Now arrange any chair. First, set a mattress. Move here. Move here. First, set a mattress on the floor. I don't have chair here. That's why I'm move up. stand up to the chair with or without help. Jump on the mattress. First set a mattress on the floor and jump on the mattress 5 times. Again up, jump, up, jump. Okay, if it's easy for you, try to jump high like this. Jump high. If it's easy for you, try to jump high in the air like this. Jump high. Okay. Now you can use the table. You can crawl under the table like a baby. You can do that. And the last one, you know how to do the front roll. I will show you. First, arm up like this, hand on the floor, hand down. Yes, you can do this again. I will show you again. Hands up, on the floor, down, stand. You can do this. You can try it. If you don't do this, it's okay. We will do this in our PE lesson. And also we will do with balancing spoon on ball. We will put a ball on a spoon and we'll balance and walk. Let's see who can do this. And last thing, we will do fighting, pillow fighting. You have pillow at your home. Guys, be ready for pillow fighting. Okay, bye-bye. See you in the class. Bye-bye. Take care. Morning everyone, good morning. Let's do some activity with these balloons. Okay, we will do 8 to 9 activities with the balloon. Are you ready? Guys, do you want to play with the balloon?
Yeah, do you want to play with
yeah.
us?
Okay, first
Okay.
we will do first activity. Keep your balloon under your legs and try to walk.
And just try to walk.
Try to walk, walk,
Just
walk.
try to
Yes.
walk.
Yes, walk.
Yeah.
You can do this. You can do
Yeah.
this.
Oh, don't.
Oh, good. Very good.
I'm too good. You know I'm walking. Yeah, with the balloons.
Okay,
Yeah,
done. Second
done.
one. Again, put your balloon under your legs and hop like this. Try to hop. Jump high, jump high, jump high. Yes, very good. Go back. Okay. Third one. Guys, can you hear me? Yes. Okay. Throw your balloon up and try to catch it. Catch it. Try to catch your balloon. Catch your balloon with both arms. Yes. Try to keep your balloon to yourself. Up and catch with both hands like this. Catch it. Good. Okay. Third one and the fourth one activity. Keep your balloon up with your head, with your arm, with your feet, anything. Keep your balloon in the air like this. In the air and with your head, with your feet, with your arm. Try to keep your balloon up. With feet, with hand, with head. Anything, you can use anything. And you can use your object at home if you have any stick. You can use any stick.
Can you bring the stick?
Yes.
Yes, wait.
Stay.
Wait.
Yes. You can bring. You can play with this stick.
Don't
you have
hit
the stick.
Don't hit the balloon hardly. Just soft, like this.
Yes. Play with the stick. Oh, play with the stick. Okay. Done. Here. Okay. Play with the stick.
Mariam, you will do this?
Yes.
Yeah.
I can
Now
try.
the Miss Mariam is doing.
But
You will do with the sticks.
But wind is blowing, that's why we can't manage this. You can manage because you are at home. Okay? You can play with balloon with the stick nicely. You can play. And you can use other objects like glass. You can use plate.
good.
Yes,
Here is the
yes,
weather is
yes,
too good.
that's
That's why the balloon is going to up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, but you can try
Yeah.
and
Maria,
with the glass also
like this.
like this.
Oh my God.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh.
You can do this.
No, you will do
With
it,
the balloon.
Nora. Yes.
Try it.
yes.
Try it. Try it.
Air is it too much here? That's why it's flying. You know it's flying. I'm not touching
Here,
this.
here. This.
Okay, okay. Okay, Miss Maria.
Okay.
Yeah.
One and last thing. Put your balloon down and
Yeah.
try to jump over your balloon.
Yeah. Oh
It's
my God.
okay. It's okay.
Yes.
Jump again. Again, Miss Nabila. Again. Jump
Again.
it. Jump it.
Mariam, do
Yes,
it.
very good.
Mariam,
very
do
good.
it with me.
Jump over to your
Mariam, do
balloon.
it.
Jump over to your balloon like this. Jump.
Yeah.
Jump it. Jump it. Okay, very good. Okay. That's it for today. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Love you. Bye bye.